Everything for we will be aquaba edimoba experiences in life or so. Experiences in life. Yet so suffer one now wako osun amanye and social name. Ana simple say one na abrabon was starting in easy na so le nyame ni wona diniye. You know want na say eji wo mabrabom experiences. O mabrabom ahyase besi sabri. Nyankopon koso nhyiraw. Onkoso mo ho ban e mame woni abusua no wate. Woma wade ye nyina enye yi. Nim se duru kwasi ada se na humi a wo se chese minya ma ye kora no. Wo se Nayas baby ami ko bia esese mi tu America me ka me ho. Na me betena se. Na me hwede ye wo ba. Na mafemo futu. Afemo ba. Yankopon koso nhyiraw. Experiences in life. Efutu nkranhye arechechire ebijenso so ewo mu bi enase akase enko enfama abofo a wana soma sin nyina papa go furniture enkonwa papa fi medofo e wonim se Ghana krom ha sei ene abrochire ba bi ade furniture fi a obi agiatum eye papa go furniture enkonwa ahoro bia wo ho office furniture wallpaper carpet curtains just bibia bi wo for when it comes sisi a e wo kisema junction ne so hono mo a oguso ye promotion ne den bomodin a fa number no sisi a na friend na kai se baby a free delivery e ba ha ne yentikra kai se yenye okapre kra fa number ne sisi a midofo e uri a de da ne da nyame anam ne so ama na same yare agye me nkwa ne boma pomudin ho ban de eye dro ba kope eye heba medicine ba kope the whole Ghana the whole world obi agye natum eye Jeffas mixture edro yi mesisa hu se mabetena ha na me ho aye fese ya eye Jeffas ebetu yawe ni nyina ase hepatitis B malaria typhoid menstrual pain ana yawe ahoro ekeka ho nyina Jeffas obetena etse ediama edofo yi ene Ghana yedin pa sana Ghana so aye hye entena se ema yawe no enje wo mo so da entena se o ema yawe no ehunehram eno ti bebe ya wo bia eye Jeffas mixture pe ene bitimi age wo nkwa na wi a ye de mama ni nyina age atum de mama ni nyina age atum eye Jeffas P capsules Jeffas P capsules pe wasi ye Nayas se me be kokwan so sei na minya P capsules ni bi eye Jeffas P capsules ni bi na me fa na me ma me ho breka kra bi be 1 hour ansa na makokwan so a ma ne tie mu bruta baby awo bia in fact entrance mo ba ne fo wani mu nyefom oba me wo pese oba ne bu wo do won tenka wo so I said the why ne for guest ne dia we dry Jeffas P capsules tutu America fa number no to be gu ho e ma ne nsakra kona kwaje odi yankopon jraw anom de e go mini wa e koyo anom de na e de sei mi tremwa eye angel beverages angel drinks midofwe baby awo bia no me say drink won so a just say me ankasa me papa doctor ko tin dia bedwaman so esan say doctor drink wo hunti wo sheda e di fa abefi fidie mu eyi ya ye bi efi mu ansana odi aba angel beverages are doctors are lawyers etitru fo wo krom ha nyina Ghana ni abrochi ba bia eno no bia gye na tom berofo na nkola ne mrewa ne kra de eni enejai kra tutu America party wedding bia wo ya na se eye program ahoro bia wo ye bia no tutu America nkola ne school ni na je se wo mo snacks de eye angel beverages pe ena nyina ya de atom tutu America na kwaje odi na de ma ne mema nyina so asan de atom ye adonko next level kona kwaje odi na mi frejuma passe na mabra eye angel energy drink pe ena menum kakra na mapomodin no nesisi so atare ehemi fefefe mahofa mei ifre ladies in collections birofoi udu odoko a Tarazo house anase Tarazo bus stop honom a odoko station si obi asa uko Tarazo bus station ko wenim ketewa bi won sani fa ho a anase for ladies in fane number no na friend no occasion bia ukobia birofoi onno be mo atare papa ebe ma waye rapa na eni nyina ediwachi fa number ne sisi a birofo na se wo wi a mitri fefefe obi se ye na ye asesa wo boti a efata osa eni ntide bia o chese odi ne makata otiri so sa ni nyina nipa ba konsa no cute cat parlor ene hye ni wi bia me de betena TV so wo beka junction ne so ho no ma bus stop wa biso obi ase cute cat parlor ko no ni wutima ahonye fe na ye rapa ma me wate na mpaboa papa fie die Ghana krom ha die eye hwan obi eni ho agese kwadwo shoes pe eni betimi amount empaboa efe winter boot anase mpaboa die tu kwan open kola ne mpaboa school for ne mpaboa anase office wear bia eye kwadwo shoes pe eni betimi amount empaboa papa efe na ye papa na dimu obi bi sase himfa no wo kwadwo shoes ewo enso nyame ye road ni so wa dance man enso nyame ye road ni so wa Sakaman junction ena kwadwo shoes ewo tutu emika na mesro fo ni chimo ho akwadwo wodie bedofo yi the boy fashion jewelry na misra egudie ni nkapo nyina ifri waso ye ifri wakache na misra bedofo men say mri o ma mentwa me ho enkwaje maboafo a wo mo bo mechi dom na duru kwasia da bia me di experiences jumedi ebrɛ no itwa me ho makoche wo mo nkrato apa na me ba enne no die ampaya ebedwa enne no eye more levels be by here.
On my long and stressful days, I long for the refreshing company of my favorite companion.
Wow, my favorite.
I tomato onions, no tomatoes.
Hi. Oh, hello. Please, I need to know the drink you were enjoying earlier at the shop.
Sure. Even on Sundays in the market, nothing is for one.
Makuma swadi. Guess what I brought?
A refreshing companion for you and I.
My favorite.
Angel Drinks. Nyamepe, nyawenijehu.
Angel Drink. This advert is FDA approved.
Hello. Your friend is of Mamina na Hayford. Me yen century. Messiah actress. And then you ma who do pee keka. And na medjuma dinti. Ma po me den ho hia me papa na sebe ma po me den ho dia eno ane Jifax mixture bonje Jifax mixture nti mitimi gina paboa tenten so je se Jifax amama your best mu ankasa me nia be ma ebema wo so wa ye be mama pa senti a meji jifas mixture tumpre kopene say eduro no ho te ye de afa abefu nimde kwan so eni fidie won suom na aye ne frenchem kroje ye no nti ma ye resade enu wane jifas mixture na momitie enye ma penfo oba a oma akwala nofo ana akwala a onyanya emfie dumienu
FDA ahwehwe saa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atum se eye
jifas mixture pa pa pa
Atadwe eneya sedenne bedofo sebanu ufie nkonya papa padia mitrema furniture papa padia eye papa go furniture pe ene betimi ama nkonya papa edimu na efe na hodini wom etitru fwe wagana krobo hani abrochire be bia de eye papa go furniture pe ena ya chi atum delivery baby a ekobia e free afa yegusi ye sales ndendende ye womu a ekosi next year January baby a wo bia no papa go furniture e wo ho edema papa go furniture any challenger no challenger papa go furniture enkonya papa papi
My name is Ayitey. There's nothing God can do. No go grab it, you know your fee. Manche, me manche. Buji no money, woli. No go grab it, yeah, nemi. Ni on your fee. Manche, me manche. Buji no money. Grab it, yeah, nemi, ni oyon fe. Lele boji no more, ni wale. Kemi kwe mi se. Nu choke ye bon kwe, te ma fete, de ba ami. God of Isaac. Amina kule minye swishi show my bona le you no kemi ya ne kemi ba kemi wala mi kemi kwenye kemi se bodun choboji adu bono maja di majoyi malake habu lele boji numa ni wale kemi kwe mi se nu choke ye bon kwe te ma fete be ba ami God of Isaac boji numa ni wale kemi kwe mi se
hey ebusiafo yakopon koso nshrawo na nya na yas experiences a ehif bi me pacho enwom no yekoti bae no uhune sei na hwa ehwan ya ebra na onim no ana machuman no I hope betam watch no kon ho. Wo hwe hwan ya. Ene mi ankasa me guest am nsaka no. Je say me nua bema papa bia. Ghana ni wiase die. The whole world yemfa ne ni agro. Yento na jejem. O ka no. O do nsa wonani anade ka ne nkosua. Ene o de ka Ghana nyina. Ayitey powers. Yanko na kwaba. Guys.
Nayas one.
Ayitey powers. Should I be powers kakre?
What can
Kankan wo ho. Gosh. Asa. Anya steady wa ha baby. Betom na koto. Enemy never. Shoddy baby. Miss Shoddy. I have a dua. Just say actress papa bi. Osan presenter. Shoddy. Me mo akwaba.
Yeah.
I said, why a good girl be? Ah.
Tell me so.
Debbie. Who should be home? Ah. Who should be? I say, buy. We are my show.
Kakra. And your baby is kakra.
Oh, Jana show. Hey, na me akasa ma yesterday what have baby abeta me akoto no. Me abema. Bibi aboko de.
Bibi aboko Nayas.
Wife here.
Bibi okay.
Ebusianfo no bibi aboko. Utim no crew no. Manager mu nyina. Ekoyi. Ayitey powers. Edin Ayitey powers no. Efri himfa ene bai udin ankasa shada kem. Edison. Na uye den ni.
Me and my name is Michael Ayitey.
Oh.
Michael.
Into
me Ayitey powers no free boxing. Time na me ku amateur.
Okay.
Time na me ku amateur that time no na boxers bebre wo.
Okay.
Into me ba amateur no na within a short of a couple of months no na ma book champion no Joshua Okan.
Okay.
No champion Black Bombers.
Joshua Okan no ye den Ghana ni ana.
Ghana ni but we a captain of Black Bombers. And I have the good to beat them.
Wow.
I beat them. That's the first time I travel in my life to Egypt.
Oh.
Because I stopped him. He's the captain and I beat him. So I became Black Bomber captain.
Ooh.
And I traveled to Egypt. That's the first time.
Wow. Wow. Ayitey powers.
So when Ayitey powers no free boxing.
Boxing.
Yeah.
Okay. Who school when you fa?
Oh, school there. Because school but not too much. Say yes traveling kakaka the English who I can speak. But but I thank God for my life. Sometimes when I sit down, I don't blame myself that I don't go to school because I used to help people who been to school a lot, and I used to help them. So what is the necessary of me if I don't go to school and I will blame God? Ooh. I can never blame God. And I thank God for where God has put me.
Okay.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah, because as I'm sitting down here, I'm a boxing promoter. I'm the president of West of Ghana Professional Boxers. Who am I?
Wow.
Yeah. So when I can say I'm in school, I have to bring myself, I don't go to school there. No, never.
It's not just what person say. Why president Ubia person didn't who be share boxing the Germany more won a baby so and answer. That's how now confirm answer.
The whole Ghana boxers, I caught the Azumanes and Joshua Clotty, all the world champions in Ghana, I'm their president.
Wow.
Yeah.
Then you are blessed.
Yeah.
I went to school there more than I went to me uncle Henry baby.
And if I'm close to senior prophet T.B. Joshua and I'm close to the president-elect John Dramani Mahama, then what are you going to tell me?
Wow.
Yeah. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, I have his number, we used to talk.
Wow.
So, Ubeka Shami Dembio.
Ubeka
Shami Ayitey powers who go school. Una work school fa.
Una work school fa.
Yeah. Una work school fa.
Etu person ochre say school enye school ntimi nye bibia. School ye, but ntimi nye bibia.
Madam, I'm telling you that free SHS they made it like they have to do free Kolebu, free clinic. That would be the best to save life. I don't understand the interest of that free SHS. Lewin don't go to school. Lewin is making it, have his house. Kweku Menu don't go to school. He's living good. Buko Banku, you know nothing. He's living good. Ayitey Powers as well. I'm living good. But people are dying. Last time I went to Kolebu, they said one man have to go and drop blood. This man don't have money. But if these things are free, this man will go to the lab free and do, and life will be saved.
Wow.
You understand me? Yeah, I have to give the person money just to go and do the lab. Yeah. Last time I'm on air, I'm saying that His Excellency John Mama should cancel the free SHS, bring free Kolebu. People talk good about it. Some people too talk.
A 2% which say His Excellency Mahama on free education.
That's it.
Na on fameje. Na say free education is future for your ma. Any yasefo.
Nayas one.
Ena papa.
Nayas one. So
Ena Kolebu asem no so yesi yeji omo yare ni omo mu be wu nkwan ana.
Mommy.
Papa.
My mom some reference. If you don't go to school, you don't go to school, you know nothing, you can make it. You can make it. Okay. But somebody who is in coma, you don't have money. There are some people over there, they are in the house, they are sick. But because of this money, they will take the Kolebu they don't have. So they are there. So if it's free Kolebu and I know I'm sick, I will just walk and go to Kolebu for checkup. Wow. I don't understand why people don't understand me. It's good you have to go to school and know how to write, how to speak, how to express yourself. That's all. Ghana, Africa here too, when you go to school, madam, you will go to school, you will work in Ghana here. They will give you 100 years. You can't bring your own house unless you steal the government. What work will do in Ghana here and you get salary like 20,000. Look at the Zoom Lion. Zoom Lion, they are paying the workers 2.5. 2.5 somebody will use to buy food to eat a day. Why?
Young fancy hen and yes, Adi and then someone I eat a becatcher and one shy. Hey, Obesachi, I say you, I'm a Jayash say, hey, Jade Sewa, Yanni, Beba. A brebe and Ayitey Powers, who say Obeba be boxer, Cassia. Na you dream and I say what that I mean what that you know and I say we share won't come.
Nayas one. The thing is me starting boxing, I don't start boxing that I want to be a professional boxer or I want to fight boxing and get money from boxing. Okay. Beginning the thing is like all my friends, someone is a macho man, someone is a martial artist. And when I see people calling the hey, man, it's a gratis, so then I feel good. When I see they call, so I said, me too, what am I going to do? So people will say, I said, well, let me go and learn boxing. So me, I don't go to learn boxing that I want to be a professional boxer or to fight and get money. Okay, so now we aim in saying now I just want to learn the boxing so that people will be scared of me that hey, this guy is a boxer. You understand? That's it.
And that's it. It will call and your poor shape from and I can sorry be man and you dream. What said okay, oh corner wouldn't say the baby. What can come.
Yeah. Oh. You understand me? So by then to the school when I go, always the teacher have to beat me. Okay. The reason why I will quit from school, when I go to school, any time I go to school, if nobody have been caned, Ayitey Powers, I will be caned because the head I have. I don't know anything. Okay. You understand me? So it be my father too is a gentleman. You understand me? My father is a gentleman, he's rich. My mother too is a trader. She's also rich. Because
kami baby say we bush yemo to say who that rich family mo and say and na can baby sa.
Oh yeah. Wow. I from rich family.
Rich family.
Yeah.
So
if you come to Mampobi post office. Our family is there.
Very big.
Our family is there. Very big mansion. Wow. And all the big men as that. So I'm control everything over there. Oh. Yeah. Okay. The property is for my father, my auntie, my uncle, and they all died. Okay. So he left me and my junior brothers.
Okay.
Yeah. When we come to Mapoe, you ask Africa unit. That is my grandfather property. Yeah. So it's not that we are poor. Oh, no.
Enti na wabusua wo bi obi bisa say na ufre busua papam wabusua wo bi na wanko school no na wa na wo decide yes wani nyi school no ho onko because obi be bisa say okay na chesa Ayitey power na oni bi na efie nye eti na wentimi anko school ba say wa ma yate ase say efie ye but wanko school na chesa wa na wani nyi school no.
Nayas, my father tried a lot to send me to school, but like I said, my father tried a lot.
Okay.
My father is a rich man, and the house we are living, I'm the only person who is going to Amazing Grace to practice school. But like I'm saying, I don't know nothing. I know nothing. So every day when I go to school, I will be beaten. So every Friday is my Xmas and my everything in life. When it's Friday, it gets to a time when I have to go to school. Then I went to the seashore. I go and take my dress and go and put it somewhere. Then when it's time for clothes, then I'll go and take my dress and wear like I go to school.
Wow.
So my father there morning time we go to work. My mother too go to work. So when they come home, then me too I'll dress like I'm from school.
Ebrebe na wo start say oh yeah and collab bonisem and now who say oh yeah collab boni.
I don't say me yakwara boni, but the thing is I'm doing what will favor me. You understand me?
And you know, wakume mono that time I was son wakume mono wouldn't say wo yadi a wo be favor but one you know abusunya who say be
I'm doing what I like.
Okay.
You understand me? My father will wake up and go to work. My mother too will go to market. Me, if I have to go to school, me too, I choose like going to the seashore.
It's not just I starting collab on some entem. We starting get to life.
But you know, some of the bad boys things they used to do, I don't do.
But we starting get to entem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But there are some things like smoking. As I'm sitting down here, I don't know that I don't smoke.
Wow.
But I have my school boys who have been smoking. You understand me? But me, for smoke, never. As at now, I'm talking to you. When people will talk to me and Buko Banku, they said, "Oh, Ayitey Powers respect himself more than." You understand me?
I said Buko Banku. What do you want? I said, "When I was empty, I said, "Tembia, what try so on being asem, or also try so on being asem." Are there a dear secret and a diamond tap? I said, "One can't cry." And a whole world in him say.
Nayas one, you know, Buko Banku is my very good friend from amateur.
Okay.
He's my senior in boxing.
Okay.
You understand me?
Yeah.
He's my senior in boxing.
Okay.
But you know that it's like the man I have is bigger than Buko Banku.
Oh, what dream no? Or no do boxing him.
Yeah.
But what dream ne kita on son e mo du ten ne de no ne de ne yakete nte mamonka.
Thank you. The time we fight amateur and I won my fight. The time we have to travel, if I listen to Buko Banku, like I will never travel to Egypt.
Wow.
Our pay is not coming. And Buko Banku tell me that powers, we should leave camp. We should leave camp. And I say, but you Buko Banku, you travel to Africa country before. Me, I don't go. And you are telling me I should leave the country. So I don't mind him. And I be in camp. And get to the time and they said, Powers, you are one of the travelers. If I listen to him, like Abomi.
Wow.
Yeah.
Or Shashikakra.
Bangu.
Aye.
Well, I don't know for that. I can say it in public.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Someone is here. I don't want to go far.
As I say, go far because I experience. And the entire Tembia no mummy no problem damon tamwa. Ghana, I mean, yaso. Yakuman so and I say yes, I say Yahunto yen.
Yeah.
Because you himself when starting, Mummy and started together. Munina, we be a bomb, but all of a sudden, after the I say, Mansona, 2 match, and I say, okay, because who only about show so experiences in life.
The reason why
I
don't want to go far. The things me and Bugu Banku we did in life. Yeah, I don't think like now we will be current, we will hate each other.
Okay.
You understand me? We will hate each other.
Where the Mr. Meka? E be na oko ne ge ho anasa oko ne ba bi ho because a man sometimes mo nantibom ye ma akora ye ta na ye fa ne say me ne miss study ya ya adamfo ache na me makoshi ya be me bia me pe na asem pa na me na ache ya no e bia wakọ ho e bia na wokọ.
No. Me in my life, one thing all the time I used to pray to God. I don't want to love somebody's wife.
Okay.
I don't want to love somebody's girlfriend. These are the things I hate in my life.
Who said dientia?
Madam, if you love somebody's wife, somebody will love your wife.
And also be wuntem.
No, that one too. If like I'm type of that person, like I die.
Oh.
Yeah, like I died. You know, if you want to keep long in this way, you will keep long.
Okay.
You understand me?
Yes.
If you want to live long in this way, you will live long.
Wow.
The Lord Jesus Christ has divided the good and the bad. In this way, then, the good, when somebody said, God will curse you, it will work. But sometimes, when it's time to work, they will measure that God will curse you and God will bless you. They will measure. Then when they see that, this person said God will bless you. This person said, you have God will bless her like 100. And you have God will curse you like 30.
Wow.
Which will work. God will bless you is plenty than God will curse you. Wow. So that God will curse you will never work. But when they go and see that they want to judge, and they can see that other people said God will curse you. 10 people said God will bless you. You will go.
Oh.
Yeah. I sit down with Prophet Ibi Joshua. So sometimes I experience a lot of things.
Now your spiritual father, no, because you him say interview be could be our bonity.
Yeah.
Okay.
If not God or Prophet Ibi Joshua, I don't think by now I will sit here. Maybe if I don't die, maybe I'm mad.
Okay, ni say huntia.
Yeah.
I didn't impact and Prophet TV Joshua. Why brabum?
Me, if I'm talking about Prophet Ibi Joshua, I'm talking about experience I have.
Okay.
Me going to synagogue church is not somebody who tell me that Papa Station or synagogue church of all nations.
Okay.
But I have a dream. I saw a old woman. And the time, what I'm talking about, by then, what is happening to me in my life, my dear, I'm begging before eating. Begging. It's not that I'm standing on road, but I'm begging before eating. Nothing goes on. A well traveler like me, a well traveler like me.
We see Obia Nimu. Nim say you for Ayitey power say you chia woka.
All of a
sudden. Baby no. O frefre. Na what's this can stand away did you?
You know what happened? No. I'm in London. All of a sudden, I don't know what happened. You know, it's like I feel cold on my body. No, I hear the voice. Take your passport, go Ghana. Nayas, I hear the voice. Take passport and go Ghana. Me, I don't know anything. If I have to travel, my manager have to take me to the airport and go and do everything before I will sit inside pray. I just pick my passport. I call British Airways. I said I want to go to Ghana. They said, can I give them my details in my ticket? And I give them the details. They say, oh, your ticket is expired. You have to pay take £50. Do you know I have £70 in my pocket? But in my account, I have like £7,000 in my account. I leave that £7,000 and I took £70 to Heathrow and I pay penalty 50 for my ticket and I bring £20 from London to Ghana.
Hey!
This one is not something I'm the one who is telling you.
Wow.
I bring £20 to Ghana. I reach Kotoka International Airport. I'm there. I don't know that I'm in Ghana, but I'm seeing my friends.
This is serious.
Madam, I'm seeing my friends. When I say, oh, Python P, oh yeah, hey, people have been cheering me. Oh, we are happy. The time I will realize that I'm in Ghana, we went to the choba. We are going to eat. I make my hand inside the food and I do like this and I recover that. Hey, where? What am I doing in Ghana? Nayas, something in this word. I said, what am I doing? What am I doing in Ghana? So it's like my friends can say that I'm not eating the food. They say, oh, jump, yeni. Then I wake up and I go and ask one of my brothers. I say, bro, what happened? What happened? I said, oh, what are you talking about? But 3 days today, you called, you said you are coming, and even I told you, you said you have a fight. So finish your fight, you come, then you come, you said, oh, no, you are coming.
All of a sudden.
Mommy, before I will come, I called my manager. Jonathan Feld. I said, manager, I said, Jonathan, you think I'm stupid, eh? Me, I'm going to Ghana. AK Powers, what are you talking about? You are fighting next week. I said, I'm fighting. Go and call your mother and your father to fight. When I fight, then you give me this kind of stupid money. You think me, I'm stupid? I don't know.
Hey.
I insult them badly. So as I'm in Ghana, I call him that, oh, I'm in Ghana. I want to come back. So he should buy me electronic. He used to buy me tickets before I used to go outside. He said, Mr. Powers, don't call my line again. If you call my line again, I will shoot you. Don't come. They cut the call. This man changed his number because of me. So I decided, then let me go for people and borrow money. Then I'll go and send them the money. I have money in my account. Everywhere I will go, they will let me sit down and talk. When I finish, they say, oh, Mr. Powers, you people have been going abroad, and when they come, they are okay. Why you go, you are coming, you don't bring anything, you are now coming to find money to buy ticket. But you do a small boys thing. Why? But they don't know that what happened to me is not normal.
It's not normal.
My sister, I go for more than 5 people just to borrow. They don't give me the money.
It went me and Kuba. Just I see it. Sikani came.
I'm coming. I can't go. It's like then I became zero. Nothing goes on. When you see me, you will see that this guy is angry. When you see the mention Ayitey Powers, you will see that, oh, that's a boy. When you see my dressing, you know that, oh, nothing goes on. I start begging for food. I start drinking alcohol. Because when I go to some friends, before they will give you money, when they are drinking alcohol, you have to drink. If you don't drink and you ask them, they say, oh, what money? Getting. Madam, I can't cry. There are some people when I go to them, they are with their woman, then they say, oh, come on, man, Ayitey Powers say, what to eat, people you don't have. The way he's sitting down there, he's waiting for me to give him 20 Ghana. My sister, I have nobody to. One day, I'm working, and I said, let me go to La Paz. One of my friends said we should go to La Paz. Sometimes you will go and buy drink when I'm leaving him, then give me like 20 Ghana or 30 Ghana. We go to La Paz.
A whole Ayitey
Powers. Madam, I went to La Paz with my friend. We are there, and I saw one woman. And I'm sitting there now. Something tell me that, Charlie, that woman over there, the woman is beautiful. Go and job there. And I go. No, I said, oh, madam, how are you? They say, oh, I'm fine. Oh, madam, you look so beautiful. Like the way men are. Oh, madam, you look beautiful. He said, oh, thank you. I said, oh, can I have your number? He said, oh, why? I said, oh, you don't know me. He said, who are you? I said, oh, I'm Ayitey Powers. He said, And the girl asked me, Ayitey Powers boxer. I said, oh, yeah, I'm Ayitey Powers. He said, we know Ayitey Powers is a foreigner, and why? And he asked me, so where is your car? I said, oh, my car is in the house, but like man, I'm yobbing. The man looked at me, but then I have my details, my passport and my pictures from outside. So, do you know that the girl said he's coming, and the girl go and call the brother. I said, look at that guy over there. He want to chase me. He said he's Ayitey Powers. So the guy come. When the guy comes, the guy look at my leg. He said, please, you say your name is Ayitey Powers. I said, yes, I'm Ayitey Powers. He said, what shows? We know Ayitey Powers. Ayitey Powers live in London. I said, yeah. They get, no, please, you have to wake up. I said, please wait. And I take my bag, small bag, and I take my passport. I said, look. They said, you see that my Ayitey Powers in my passport. I don't have any name. He see Ayitey Powers, and he start opening the passport, then start seeing the visas. And I take my another graphic from UK. He start seeing me. He said, hey, Mavis, hey, onwa. The guy called, Mavis, hey, you know, hey, Ayitey Powers. So the girl run and come. The girl run and say, what shows is Ayitey Powers? The guy say, look at the passport. Look at him. You know, London visa to where they'll put your picture, and I have a lot of visas, and they see me with the white people, and so the guy say, he said, hey, please, you just sit down. I'm coming. And he told the brother that the brother should leave me. So the guy go and say thing, and he can say, hey, I can see it's true, you are Ayitey Powers, but I can see that something wrong is going on. I said, oh, what are you talking about? Nothing is going on. But the guy said, but you know Ayitey Powers, if it's true, you are Ayitey Powers, then it's like I make cool. And something is telling me that, tell her the truth. And I said, oh, my dear, it's true. I'm Ayitey Powers, but it's almost 4 years now. I don't travel and things are very bad. He said, what? The guy tell me that, Charlie. Mavis telling me that, please, just go. I will close like 10 o'clock. Go and come. When we are coming, you don't have money to take taxi. When we come, I will pay. The time reach, I have to go. I don't have money. The girl called me. By then, I'm using some small phone. The girl called me and said, oh, are you coming? And I said, oh, I have to come, but I'm waiting for somebody to, my money is with somebody. He said, leave, just come. And I took taxi, I go, the girl paid. The girl took me to a house. He said, the way you can see the thing, I'm Ayitey Powers, but what is the problem? I said, oh, I don't know. Do you know that the girl said we have to eat? We have to eat. We start praying before we eat. We will sleep too. We start praying before we sleep. We wake up in the morning, he pray. I will go back to house and give him money that I should take car and go. I should come even time. Anytime at all, this girl, I'm with this girl praying. It be that I'm in house now. Do you know, it get to a time, the girl opened the mouth and said, Powers, if this how things is going to be there, one day, maybe you will come here, but you won't see me. Oh. And the thing paid me. I said, I'm going to lose this girl because of I'm poor. So one day we will sleep, and this girl said we should pray. And I said, maybe we have been praying all the time. Today, let me pray. And we will hold our hands. And I said, Lord Jesus, no. Yeah, I said, let me pray. And I said, Lord Jesus, I don't know what happened. I'm a world traveler today, not what to eat. I don't have. I'm nobody. Lord, open doors for me. You know, like the prayer I prayed, that dawn time we are sleeping, and I saw one old woman. And the woman told me that, my son, try and go to Lagos, Synagogue Church of All Nations, if you want your life to change. Nayas, listen to what I'm saying, you. The woman come to my dream, old lady, and said, before you will be okay in life, unless you go to Synagogue Church of All Nations. By then, I don't know who is TB Joshua, because I'm a foreigner. I don't know who is TB Joshua. So as I wake up and I tell Mavis that, Mavis, I saw a woman telling me I should go to Synagogue Church before I will be okay in life. You. And the girl said, hey, do you know this man? This man is a prophet for the whole world. I said, but he said, and I said, I have to go to Lagos. You know me, sir, I don't have money. So where am I going to get the money to go to Lagos? And Mavis tell me that, Michael, you have to try because I'm tired. I can't stand for all this. I can't stand. Madam, do you know the following day, like 3 days we will sleep. We want to pray here and say, let me pray. And we hold our hand and say, Lord Jesus, if it's true, the dream I had there is from you, God, and you want to help me in life. Money to travel, I don't have some. But if it's true, you have angels living, let your only angel get me lolly fare in, only in, not in and out. For me to just go to the synagogue church, I don't want lolly in and out, but let me have lolly fare in just to go. And if I go to that church and I can walk from Nigeria to Ghana, God, leave it for me. I pray with pain heart. Pain heart. Do you know a couple of days, like 5 days, I'm at Mampobi, our family house. It's like nowadays I sleep there. When I leave the girl there, then I come there. I'm at our family house. No, I saw one guy. He said, hey, he giving me horn. Papa, papa, papa. He do like this. And one of the guys said, oh, Powers, bo guy, cho. So I ran and I go to the guy who called me. I went there, no, I said, hey, calculation. Hey, when did you come to Ghana? Do you know that the calculation I'm talking is a friend we live in London? So I thought that is the guy. And that's the guy I'm talking to. So and I thought the man asked, the guy asked me, Powers, we know dress, so what is going on? No, look at it. I said calculation. Is this one there is not Ayitey Powers matter. Charlie, I need money to travel. He said, hey, you are traveling. Where are you going? Are you going back to London? I said, no, I'm going to Lagos. He said, what are you going to do there? I said, oh, I'm going to church. The guy said, oh, if you are going to church, he said, good news. How much do you need? And I mentioned like 2.5. 2.5. Do you know the guy asked me, oh, Mr. Powers, you are going to Nigeria and you said 2.5. I don't want to mention big money so that you say you don't have. Do you know that the guy said, no problem, and the guy gave me that 2.5. That the moment I hold the money like this, no, and I hear Satan talk to me, and I hear God talk to me. What I'm saying, somebody will say, hey, do you know what is Satan talk? I hear the voice, oh, this money you collect, oh, all your friends know that nothing goes on. Go and call your friends and buy them beer for them to see that you are still Ayitey Powers. A second, no, I hear a voice telling me, cool, that my son, just a couple of days, you pray that you want Lolife in to Lagos. So the money you have can reach Lagos. If you like, go and buy. If you like, don't go.
And someone will just say, my book so a boo me. You see, you can't at your bitch. In all, no, not just say, yeah, papa, a prophet, TB Joshua, I know why you late or no, and a mouse back to.
Yeah.
Coupon shroud.
Yeah.
You be. As a boxer, Brapenny, Joanna Fachame. As a boxer, and then challenges, and a binyai, and what a many.
My sister, for all you have to know God. God is the ultimate and God is the best in our life. I'm telling you. Means when some people see me, they don't know me, they don't come close to me, they judge me. But when they come close to me, some of them start crying.
Say, Brapeni, only Uniabema, Bukum Bank. Muntum at the same pass is here as at now, right now, a legacy.
Oh, Bukumango used to call me when we have to go, you know, when maybe some of the big ministers want me and him, when they will call me, oh, Charlie, Minister Kewobai, you call me, I go to him, we go. When we go and sit down, we talk about what we have to talk. When we can't, then we separate. I'm not close to him like those times. We will go, we will eat in one bowl, we will sleep on one bed. It's not like that now. Oh yeah, I mean Jini Paddy.
We are sure so Jini Paddy because as a any pebby tree pa and now as it says what's slow we are see. Because nipa who you see a perceive besides a Jini Paddy.
Oh, as I'm talking now, dear, for friends, I'm out in friends because the time nothing goes on, you get to a time when friends are sitting down and I'm coming, then they say, hey, bye. This one will wake up and pass it, this one will, then it's like I'm alone. You understand me? So for that one, put it there is past. Just recently, me, I used to give my friends money. Okay. But when they have their own, they will hide it. I used to give my friends money for free, but when they will give me money, they will give me for borrowing.
Tinache said, "On shadan Jini pen."
David.
And to quadruple was saying, and now oba boxing one as obey a boxer. What now, dear him, and I said, Ulusu, and as I said, make us say a bow, and I will, dear him, I said, the impact of braille.
If I would take me and Break Caparello in Australia, okay. Yeah, that fight is not my weight. Okay. You understand me? The person is heavy more than me. But because of the money, oh yeah, I saw Break Caparello. I can see this guy is heavyweight, complete. Mm-hmm. You understand me? I see he's heavyweight, but if I said I'm not fighting, then no money. So I have to take it like that. That's the fight. Uluzu, the money they will give you, you will receive the same. Okay. So me and Break Apparello, no, I don't force myself and finish all the 12 rounds. Yeah, we are fighting, just not punch, and I fall down. The referee come and say, Mr. Powers, this punch don't touch you, wake up. And I said, Mr. Referee, you touch me. Okay. Yeah, because am I coming to die in Australia? Oh, okay. No. Mommy, they will give you a punch. You will see some stars, small in your face, plenty. I have a fight with this guy, Serenda. Okay. Serenda, and Serenda give me a punch. I fall down. I see Serenda like 6. The one person I see him like 6. The referee who is in the ring too, I see him like 10. Then my face is going like this. The time I'm okay, the referee said, "Oh, the fight is off." I said, "Why? I will fight." I go, "Oh, they finished you long time." Boxing. Hey, sir, be a boxer. No free about Chiba, no Taska, no Mampo Manundi. Hey, my wife said I should stop. So your wife said I should stop. Gladys, she said, "Oh, I should stop the fight." So as I'm talking, I'm promoting the boxes. Okay. Yeah, because I love her. And once she said, was saying, and I'll be a boxer now. What? Oh my God! Oh, I have like almost 48 fights. Wow. And I won 30 fights. I lose almost 18. Ooh. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Wow. I'm almost 3 times national and West Africa champion in Ghana here. And I fight for the BBC International and I won. I'm going to defend it and I lose it. You understand me? Yeah, the reason why I said I travel a lot, the time I'm with my manager, Jonathan Fed, I don't fight in only London. We got fight outside of London, Germany. I went Germany, Hamburg. Hamburg. Yeah. Hamburg. Yeah. I've been there several times. Okay. If they have some gym there, they call it Universum. Yeah. Universum. That's Hamburg. Is it Bruno? For that one, there is something. Yeah, okay. But okay. I used so the time things became bad in my life, I feel it. But if what did you say? Benson of Benson, dream car, we would do now shirt, chest, and my plates, now powers, hours day. Hey, amount of sick saying, and I make us say more do if I would talk, do you know the time I'm fighting? Money now, the time I'm fighting boxing, I don't get money like now. I'm not fighting, and after my deliverance, and money is coming from year. You understand me? So if I'm sitting, I can see God has done something for me. People don't understand me. You understand me? Yeah. To be a promoter, if you don't have getting to 4 billion, you can't promote a fight. You understand me? So now, I will be Cassadi when you would see me French any panida. But a be only part of best only be as a but won't me French at the end of the year. So now, my dear, a lot of people betrayed me. But I'm someone, when you betrayed me, I can't put it in my mind for more than 1 month. Okay. The person like I put in my mind that I will never talk to him in my life. As I now I'm talking to you, I'm talking to him. I can't hate somebody for the rest of my life. I can't do that. You understand me? Even a guy is my friend who tried to date my baby mama. Not my girlfriend, my baby mama, Joshua mother. How many children do you have? I have 2 kids.
Enti no oba ne be ma na.
Brema Brema Baku.
Enti Joshua Mame.
Joshua Mame. Madam for pa. Madam for pa. But you know Joshua mother too is Ewe. She don't like those. You know Ewe girls. I know they don't like this kind of things. You understand me? So Joshua mother don't want to tell me the thing. But when I'm seeing the guy and because I can go out with the guy. Before I come home, Joshua mother know wherever we went. Madam. Yeah. I don't keep things. I don't hate. I'm someone I don't hate. I don't exalt. Yeah, it's just that's what I used to do.
Na me see me South lady no we dey me ntwa no ni chodi go be rem sisi a sa lady na obo a wo no ono na oye wo dey.
Yeah, my wife no dey Joshua mother no.
Sa lady na ohia no.
Mission wo La Paz no. He get to a time we have been praying through and I got a chance and I went to Australia. You understand me? So I went to Australia. I go and spend 5 years in Australia and I get a day mother.
Wow.
So I'm with Kerry and I said, what I passed through with this girl, I can't do that. So I told the girl that, Madam, I'm going back to Ghana. The girl said, she's white. She said, Papa, if you don't go and you leave here, you go back to Ghana, then count me out in your life.
Wow.
And I said to myself, I will suffer with a lady. I will get a chance to come to Abochi. Then I will see a woman. Then I will leave the girl. No, I'm going back.
Wow.
And I come back. By then I come back. I have money with me, and the girl decide that she has to give birth because there's money. You understand me?
Yes.
And we give birth to Joshua.
Oh, okay.
Joshua
ye shrapa.
Yeah.
All your backend you want.
That be no second born.
Yes, so by Ayitey powers na ma some dey offer no kwa.
Oh, I like women, but not like excuse me, but I am close to women. Women really
but
love
my. No, yes, open ma. Still na yes here room.
Mommy, the thing is, me if I said I love you, I love you.
Okay.
You understand me? Okay. But if I am not with you, I have to move forward. I can't stay.
Ekuma pacho chuchu break na me mama ekuma shala. Ekuma broni. Ekuma kono. Ekuma papa bi. Ekuma no filter. Ekuma original. Super. Etia o bia o bia. O de be sure say o de me nua be ma me last stop mo fetro drop. And I guess na ya ban be na you fake. But o de original. Agrongo what I say. Okay, so unware.
I don't worry. The woman I want to marry is Joshua mother. Okay. Later, she just said she told me that the pastor said I'm not the right husband. That is the end between me and her.
Okay. So now no, but we said so for now no, when your baby open say worry no, baby that wa come so abeso worry.
Oh yes.
Oh okay. Ti ehwe nim that baby.
Oh, that one is here.
It's ehwe nim that baby. Only no kasa. Only off camera. Only no kasa.
Anytime you feel like I have to come here with you, I will come.
No, yan share him so be worried that baby.
Oh, this year, definitely this year. This year, what can come okay. This year. But because my dear, sometimes when I saw a man wearing their wearing, I'm happy. And me, you know what? Me at the time I would put ring on the ladies' hand like this. I would never. I used to say this. I'm not saying because of my woman is here. Okay. But I'm promising myself because me, if I'm married like this,
okay,
madam,
now,
from approach from national to international.
Obroni Melissa met in a man. You're finding Chirana. Obviously, I didn't check camera.
But she said if she can come.
Okay, I come out okay, and see, Opo Bano, Odon party, Oppo worrying.
Oh, yeah,
Obetter Benyan and yes, Obini, a serious girlfriend now. Oppo on a worry. Obini Nakoda, still there.
Oh, you know, it's one of those things. I can't. It's very hard to. You know, women. if we get to know that I have my girlfriend, somebody too is chopping.
Yeah.
That is what we don't like in life.
Okay, but still, yes or no? Obeta benyane, oba wakuma dano so, odono, who you fair, who claim is all the power on pen wasem. You like everything about her, but idea the chin, and I say, dear, America credit be swam mama worry. Bear may be in a quarter. Still, because our yes or no?
Yes.
Thank you, Miss Shirley.
Okay, yɛn fɛ fidi kɛse so na yɛnkyia obi biara ɔhyɛ nsabe ba biara obi ahyɛ bi a yɛkyia wɔn na oyɛ legend nyame nhwira wo ene modern ba wɔn so waboa ɔman Ghana but wo kasa mu no kakra meka ne sɛ wa ma nyame ani wanimu kan e wɔ abrabɔ nim ofele sɛ wa hoɔden betimi and at the same time school now we can school ho asem any day ma school ho hia papa because I put it to you say one na mabrabo nim what to kwan said the wokasa what to kwan no meaning said there was a day I regret to say me nya yanka me cool school
Madam,
yes
never and ever in my life where I'm here and I'm telling you that I know people who go to school they have their qualification
yeah
papers. What to eat they don't have.
That one and no what you fair non to us.
No.
But make in
when you said that me, I mean I would sit down and blame myself.
No, I'm not saying you blame yourself. Ebia edu baby. Utie edu baby. Ebia wo chro bibi. You obi eni ho. You want someone say at least minya obi anko omo ame minim sa at all.
Mommy,
because there is no way you will tell me say.
And I said it's not that you don't go cry, but you have to know how to express yourself. Okay. You know you have to speak English. If it's not good, there are some white people when they are speaking English, they know where you are going. Yeah. They can understand you.
Yeah.
Like I said from the beginning, in English I don't speak. Through traveling small, and I come to try and manage and speak English. You understand me? I go back. I don't do Tom printing. I
me to say bossu. Your legend, me to wase, but the American say school obi a wo hwe me bia fa to trimu say no matter what school hu hia na wo ka say enka eye president emboa say obema kwalebu aye free eno nso e ho me na wo ye adwen instead say wo see free education no ki en cancel na kwalebu enye free na ho oh you're wrong school ya dia ene metimi aka say school abo ankofo bebre kanene no obi anko school kra na wotimi say abusuani mu na ntawantawa wom abeifo ni ade bata na ebeye eto atwa kakra because I back on school ameso me back on school who ya graduate ameso me buy a graduate into sa what time kakra no eno atwam won say onipa bia wonim wo fapem wo wanim wonim ba bia wo kɔ no sometime wentwi na beba but won bressa ni nyina ne say wo fapem you have a few.
You don't know where I can say you don't know where.
I feel your pain.
What I'm saying is, if I said His Excellency John Dramani Mahama have to cancel the free SHS and make free college.
Yeah.
Madam.
Yes, dear.
Somebody can do. If free college is there, we will save lives. And I don't think there are some people there, like I said, they don't go to school, but they are making it. Okay. You understand me? They don't go to school, but they are still making it, having what to eat, feeding people. The people who don't go to school, they are feeding people who go to school.
I know. Meaning, sir, who there went to me, but your best same crofone crying. Obia was saying school, very important.
People have to go to school.
Obia, at least within any some few things be there. As a some utimi then any more would do be teacher. Yeah, but near me come a brabo ni mo wakum kose say wakum. But de bia me ka say abrabo no wo bo no wa manya me anim wa anim kan a aya na ye nkobesi kakra.
Yeah, what can we? I mean, we've got all things
possible. Because meaning says a woman nyamenta man ka baby a wokone nam ye no enka anye den ama wo ye den anko besie no ebeba wabrabom na
mommy me wa London no me kitaska so be some brother when some of the bosses come to London I used to London you don't dash money like that.
Enti etoda mi nchawa no me pacho etoda ya bu wi a and I'm konto kwaniria utimi yare be 2 yes mutimi yare be 2 months we say 3 months.
The only problem you have that maybe you can't wash your face.
No when ima mo no when ima ho yes yetimi tutu musin nyina,
but you will eat soft food. Like fish, you can't chew fish. Me when I fight like 12 rounds and I finish, when I want to wash my face, when I take the water like this, I put it like that. Then I take towel to
be so being crying say obekun I mean ono so na ni je box and ho a onko bi ana.
The thing is, if somebody says you want to fight boxing, I will give the person advice to go on and fight.
Okay. You
understand me?
You enti pacho wadaroma ensema ya kan nyina no bonetofa wa futu camera eni na hwem na fa wa futu eto edwamaye na wo number bia bibia wo promote se bia wo team bia wo pese wo de telephone number eto dwa fato eho social media handles na chi adofo be mi no mame nti bonetofa.
Ghanaians, only what I would say to all Ghanaians that in this way that if you know God, you have everything. We should take our mind off from this kind of malam, juju, it can't work. If you pray to God and you will be disgraced, it's not like zero. If you know God and you want to, I mean, you will you will lose things to cry. It's not like 0 degree. But when you went to that kind of juju, me the first time I said I want to do juju in my life, the fight I'm going to fight and I go and do juju, they beat me mercilessly more than all the fights. So I can see that those kind of juju, they are lying to us. But if you put your trust in God, you will get there. The sky is your limit.
If you trust in God, you get there. Me person bisa say boxes be bree and the Ghana has it, but only bukom bank open will be any other boxes no way and I'm far baby and I'm begging.
That is what I'm saying. That
okay.
This way there, you have to know God. I don't know about Buko Banku, but me became celebrity is God. The time I went to synagogue church, all the prayer I pray in synagogue church, all come to pass. Only one thing left. But all what I pray to God I want in life, I see all. Because your papa Zuma Nelson or Mandela or but I say, okay, your papa Zuma cried when you need. So one name Piebo. Yes. I quote it so but oh okay. But that's okay, say Ebia no omanini. Because that's will be about Bukom Banku ne Ayitey anyway. Miss Shorty, but some na every Miss Shorty for final words to Josh or camera na for final words.
Miss Oriswa na me the futu kakra ekoma eye yanga ya ba yen mayo ane mante wa ya ba. Say yemanya me eni ye nimu kan because abrabo ne se wo bo na wonnim nyame na won so a wonnim ba bi a wo de wo ho ato a ene na etoje wa ba dia meka ne se manyame eni wanimu kan because o wo awrade a o wade nyina minchia eye sweet opabel ono na ye me makeup esese me ho nyame inshallah na rechin so michia no
nyame inshallah and someone make us ye pon a na chese ba ko asan ba as yeah time no upon I say Ghana boxes Ghana for no enei no ye mfa mo nhada nye hwe I say sabi edru ba bia na say mo useless ewo Ghana for and I say the penny so who ne say den
mommy what be say asan we me to be a president of Voice of Ghana Professional Bosses. The bosses all go and sit down and they look at the good thing I do for the bosses in this country. As I'm sitting down here, I let more than 8 bosses travel to the world. Okay. Now they have their papers.
Wow.
Through me.
I mean, sure, but my last question, maybe so, me for sure, start as a boxer, no. In road also saying, Anna, who decided to be successful.
If you back, okay. I'm out. I'm talking about me and okay.
But we open.
Sometimes
because mommy,
there are some things if God do to you and you don't want to praise God, God will upset with you. Yeah. So me,
Wow.
Do you know
It's
that? Me,
Uh-huh.
I used to wake up and go and preach. Can you believe that?
Yeah, I can believe.
Yeah, I used to wake up and go and preach. When I'm preaching, people will think because of money. So when I'm going to preach, I have money with me. After preaching finish, I will share money to people because what I pass through, if it's not God, who am I?
It's a drone only one. I call it Bukum Bank with a course one as a unqua.
Where I take Buko Chachu.
Only Bukum Chachila, only me a drone so. And a bomb.
Buko Chachu also a boxer.
To one in a coin, I want a neighbor corner, and I will quite drone so.
Boom.
Send a bay, yeah, money more, but or bull, not as a drone and yajuma. A patch of our telephone number to just send a bay, yeah, or be person.
02078133530. Yeah.
Obia per se, if you walk when you be a person, be person join here. Say Obebuano, Ubia. Say be a person, your boxing, and I say be a bibia, or be a bit me afro. I was a number so.
Yeah, if you call that number, no, you get.
Okay, but your sanfa number no to get
02078133530.
We need social media handles be our home.
Only Facebook and.
Nini na Ayitey powers.
Ayitey powers.
Okay, your wife na yanko.
Gladys, I love you so much. Okay. Today, if this evening, what?
Love one thing. And you put na beka ye na say just me director, me producer. What mo nyina ya ye jealous. Just say na pampa oba no ne ade the dia. Nyankopon sha bra pani nyame on shira. On show me near Swadia, why am I many? In fact, by the technical problem, can but short bra. They say, oh, Yami will shroud. Yami shall be near Sododo. Me da say, so by Nami no me hon soda, 7,000 in your bema. Yami shroud. Miss Shoddy, Yanko Ponco shroud. And then not just say experience ni more do into the end to me answer that my one member brino na emrepemono da sane e be san atonsa asanfo Yakopon shraw sa breni abreni na ye frawa wo di odo ebo odom eba beboa ye mi so bebre na mi shraw e we nche ya lovely boy amama
Icha junior
na mi shraw ebusiafo aha na bre no be makwan ye di dwumadie no ye di esi enne bi gidi se wasua ne ma bebre. Missing my experience. Nene die wankasa ubedia dance say e ditwem. Ubesua ne ma bebre efrim. Yakopon won shraw onko so nshawdin. Oma nkwatenten. Oma wade ye nyina enyeji emame. Me amedi dwumadi emu chamel onim say bidin aye Nayas ba kope. Se Nayas bi so Ghana ha say ya no ye fake na no afa ne ye ba be wo no. Me menim ni machi obi eni ho original ba kope enase akase enkoma aboafo a wana soma sinyina Papago furniture, Jeffers mixture, Angel beverages, cute cats, the boy fashion jewelry, Kwajo shoes. Oh, ena chese de hin kra biem. Edoso Yankopon obi amamoni din bia. Mo fanchem. Wonhira mu nyina. Dasanne nyame wa ma ye gusuti nkwama ebesanhia. I love you. Ya kramo.